Geometry. In that 3.3 unit, we have learnt about the circle, circular region, the segments of the circle, arcs of the circle, and the properties of the circle. Now we will start to solve the practice set 3.3. Question number 1. A circle is divided into the two parts due to a chord drawn. The part alongside the center is called the major segment. The segment which includes the center is called as the major segment, and the remaining segment is called as the minor segment. So here answer is major segment, the segment which includes the center. An angle inscribed in a semicircle is right angle. If the circle is divided due to the diameter, we will get the two semicircles, and in that semicircle always the angles formed are right angle. Always each angle formed in a semicircle is a right angle. So see question number 4. An angle inscribed in a major segment is always an acute angle. In the major segment, acute angles are formed. And in question number 5, an angle inscribed in a minor segment is always an acute angle. See here again, in semicircle there are right angles, in major segments there are acute angles, and in minor segment there are obtuse angles. The question number 3, the diameter of a circle is dash its radius, thrice, half, twice, or 4 times. We know that diameter means the 2 times radius, so twice is the answer. Or the question may be asked like this, the radius is dash of the diameter, so that is the half of the diameter. In the adjoining figure, major angle ABD, this angle ABD is 110, and then major angle ACD is equal to. Here this AD is the chord, and these two angles are in one segment, and we have learnt that the angles which are formed in the same segment are congruent. So if ABD is 110, this ACD also 110. Question number 7. In the adjoining figure, the segment PR is a diameter. Which angle is congruent with PQR? Just now I have told you that PR is the diameter. So this is the semicircle and this is also semicircle. So this angle PQR is formed in the semicircle. So it is a right angle. And this angle PSR is also formed in the another semicircle. So it is also a right angle. So 4 angles are given here, that QPS, it is not a right angle because this PQR is a right angle. So we have to find out the PQR which is congruent. Angle QPR, this is the QPR. This angle is also not the right angle. Angle PSR, that's why this is the correct answer. The sum of the opposite angles of a quadrilateral formed by joining the points on a circle is 180. In the cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of the opposite angles is always 180. Chords which are equidistant from the center of the circle are congruent. Congruent chords are equidistant like this. The ratio of the circumference to the diameter of a circle is approximately 3.14 or 22.7, means the value of the pi. Understood it?